All right, YouTube. There we go. Today's video, I'm just gonna do a little sharpshooting, little precision top flying. Got a tree down at my firehouse that I have to take down, and it's tucked in a tight little corner. We'll take a look at when we get there, in between two sheds. Kind of crappy at the bottom. All I want to do is really get the tops out. I might drop one hole if I feel that I can make the cut safely. But it is, like I said, it is tight. All right, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, this is what we're looking at. Building. What is this? Maybe 12 feet apart here. 4 feet. Crowns out over that way into a, oh shit, another dead maple. That's gonna have to come down. We'll get this one first. Maybe if we can reach out, we'll fly some stuff off of it without hitting those tanks, maybe. Yeah, I just remember the view's a little distorted because it's a GoPro. So we're gonna go up here, we're gonna pick a bunch of stuff apart. I got these little maples here. These are those tiger stripe maples that I really like. I really would hate to hurt them. But it looks like this baby's gonna be a brush up, chunk down. And kind of easy to see why they're asking me to take it down, right? Yeah, right. Soft maple. We get a chance, maybe I'll even mill a piece of this out. We'll see how it goes, see how I feel about bumping a log off there, right out here. I think the only issue I'm gonna have is I got a couple of tops that lean out this way from the one on the right hand side. You getting that? Beep, beep, beep. Getting a little windy. We'll just take off what we can and kind of lighten the load. Chuck all our brush behind the guillotine here, because every firehouse should have a guillotine, right? Wouldn't you agree with that? I would agree with that. All right, let me get up there and get this lid up and get on this. Okay, here we go. It's looking like my opening salvo, now that we're up here, is going to be a couple cut and snatches. I am right over the guillotine right now, like literally right over it. So I got to get these out of here. And let's take, ooh, maybe a little warm up on the old MTT 3600. Oh, I hate the bow. Of course, it's going to touch into this other tree every move I make until I'm out over there, I hope. And I'll get them freed up there. Caught in a cycle cut and snatch here because everything I was hoping to accomplish is very tight. And a headwind, So I'm not going to be able to do the cuts that I was hoping to do, that I figured would be so fun for me and exciting for the viewer. Now this is going to be a matter of cut and snatch city and try desperately to not clip the guillotine while throwing around the trunk. I'm not losing it on the shed, and that's really all that's important. I mean, if I hit the guillotine, I hit the guillotine. I think if I put a nice box in this, I can pull her plenty. Of course, this is where a burr on your bar comes back to bite you, right? We're gonna kind of go right in there. Is to get my saw out and give her some flicking. Perfect. My camera was on, right? Just double checking. That was a nice cut, if I do say so myself. Okay. Backhanded. Look at that. Tiny bit of holding wood. Looks like it might be the last of these sharpshooting letter flies. I might have one more, and then I'm really gonna have to lower but there we go. Oh! Gotta love it. This bit might be a little fun to video. It's right over the building. We're gonna take some sweeps. It'll probably look pretty cool, and might be a little bit of fun. Okay, let's see if we can do it here. Gonna have to go for the old reach around. There. There's nothing like a reach around. Huh? All I'm going to do is break her back and let her hang on, nice and gentle like. But it's out over the building, and it's farmer carrying the excitement. Hey! word of the day. Just take a couple here, and I'll cut that out and I'm gonna be done with it. Thanks for watching.